go, baby.
I don't know why all these leaves are on the ground. I guess the storm knocked them down or something. Where you going, Olivia? No, that doesn't belong to us. Oh, look how much you're helping. Here's the plants they already planted.
Do it backwards.
Oh, don't. You'll get it all over you.
Yeah, it'll pour all in your hair when you do it that way. Oh, watch out, there's a wasp.
I'm gonna pour sand on him. Oh, wasp.
He's just trying to get some water to drink out of the soil.
Oh, sorry, wasp.
Just don't touch him, honey, because he will sting if you touch him.
It's over here. Here's my shovel. Here's my shovel.
Okay. Now get over here and hold the plant like you did.
Here's my bucket.
Okay.
Say, I just can't do it. I can't walk in this dirt.
Me.
Yeah.
Oh.
She falls down right away. You want to go walk in the grass? Oh, you want to see what Olivia's got in her bucket? Oh, she's so busy. Here, let me hold your hand so you don't fall. Oh, you just got to try the loose dirt, don't you? Don't fall down. Oh, did you find some more flowers? Oh, she found some more flowers. There you go. Everybody's got to take a water break. Yeah. Oh, you want me to pick you up? Okay, I understand. Oops. Oh, straight into an ant bed. Here we go. Oh, Lord. Here, let's get you away from this ant bed in a hurry. Don't step on a plant. Don't step on the plants. Good job. Just watch where you're going, okay?
We're not too far.
Oh, that scared her, Papa. Did that scare you when the wheelbarrow went by? What are we gonna be planting, girls? We're gonna plant some blueberry bushes, but not in the burn pile. No, don't get in there. You'll got that soot all over you. Are you gonna put that blueberry bush in there, Lala?
Yes, and cover it with dirt.
Okay.
Let's see how far we gotta go down.
Maybe it's so far. Now
Step on it again. There you go.
this is quite a deep hole.
What are they doing, Olivia?
Oh.
Step on it right there.
No.
Are they planting blueberries?
Blueberry.
Yeah.
Sun.
Oh, I see the sun.
No, there's plane.
Oh, you see where a plane went?
The cloud.
And clouds?
Okay. Hold on.
Mary. Here. Mary, here.
I see it. I see it.
Sun.
Now, Lala. Okay, what's he putting on there, Lila?
Compost.
Compost? And manure? Yeah.
We're going to call it calm poop.
Calm poop.
Bring it over here. Come on. Bring it over here. Put it down right there.
Nice, funny.
All right, get it. Pick it up.
Olivia's grunting for you.
Here. Let me get some more. Oh my goodness.
Whoa, that was quite a sneeze. I see it. It's dirt. Here, let's don't throw it.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a deep hole.
There's enough for me to dig in.
She says, I got your compost right here.
Whoa.
How many do we have now? Can you count them?
3.
Yeah, very good.
All right, this is what you got to do. You got to pull up some dirt.
All right, I'll sit down over here.
Right.
Where are we going, Olivia? Are we going to get water? Water? Oh. You okay?
More, Mama. I need more.
Then,
Here, let's go get your can. Want to? Okay, you want to ride in here? We are going to try to go and plant some potatoes out in the garden today. And Papa and Lila are on the tractor. Olivia's a little bit afraid of the tractor. She likes to sit on it when it's not running, but she's pretty scared of it otherwise. So we're going to go around and join them. What you doing, Papa?
I'm adjusting this to see if I like. You see it hills it a little too high.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to get that adjusted down where it don't lose it.
So we can plant some potatoes.
So we can plant some potatoes.
Are you going to help us plant potatoes?
No.
You're not. We'll get away from the tractor when he starts it back up, okay?
Okay.
She don't like that loud noise. Lila loves it. See, he's going to put that down, and it's going to make hills. It's going to make a nice deep hill for our potatoes.
Can I follow him?
We're not going to follow right behind him in the row. We don't want to mess the row up. But we're going to get right here so we can see what he's doing. You see how that works? What did you say?
It's making a big wave, but oh no, he's lava.
He's making a big wave.
No, he's making a big wave.
Wave, that's what I said. We have English peas planted on the first row. Today is March the 21st. Yesterday was spring equinox. It's pretty warm here in Alabama. It's about 65 degrees. But when the wind blows, it feels kind of cold to us. Yeah. Oh, they're blowing everywhere. You need more? I think I see one right here. See? Look right there. Ooh, there it goes. I see. It's not ants, honey. It's just, that's just the garden. To her, any raw dirt is an ant bed. So, she has experienced fire ants in the past. Hey, Lila Boo. You're not going to drive that tractor, are you?
Oh,
Oh, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna jump off.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure.
But you be careful. Don't hurt yourself there.
I never. No.
Papa's getting a lot of help. Get them out here early and they learn a lot. Then they'll know how to do it. Oh, Lala's making a scary shadow. Oh, look at that. Are you pulling? There you go. Look, you got it. That's some kind of root. Look at the blueberry bush, Olivia. It's got a lot of flowers. Don't pull the flowers off. They'll make blueberries later. Look at that. Potatoes. Ooh, I love this bag. I may have to keep that. Here, can you get a potato? These are seed potatoes. They are actually... What kind of potatoes are these, Dwayne?
These are called Lesotho.
Lesotho potatoes. Red Lesotho. They're supposed to be good for Alabama and Georgia. What is it, honey? Ride tractor.
Yeah.
You can see why Nani's not too helpful with the potatoes.
You cover it up. Like that.
Let Papa dig a hole.
Let me dig a hole and you cover them up and I'll put them down. Okay?
You want me to go get your little shovel so you can cover them up with a shovel? You too, you too? Okay.